Starting a goat farming project is one of the most powerful decisions you can make, especially if you are looking for a practical business that can grow step by step. Goats are resilient animals. They adapt to many environments. They reproduce faster than cattle. They require less land, and they have a ready market in many communities. But let me say this clearly from the beginning. Success in goat farming does not happen by accident, it happens by preparation. Many people see goats grazing and assume it is an easy business. They think goats eat grass, so what is difficult? But the truth is very different. Goat farming is simple, yes, but only when you respect the basic requirements. When you ignore the basics, small problems grow into big losses. In this full guide, we are going to walk slowly and deeply through everything you need to start a strong and sustainable goat farming project. We will not rush, we will build the foundation properly. Let us begin with the most important requirement, having a clear purpose. Before you buy even one goat, sit down and ask yourself why you want to start. Is it for meat production? Meat goats focus on fast growth and body weight. Is it for milk production? Dairy goats require more attention to feeding and milking management. Is it for breeding and selling young stock? Then genetics and reproduction become your main focus. Or maybe you want a mixed system. Whatever your goal is, define it clearly. When your purpose is clear, decision making becomes easier. You will know which breed to buy, what housing style to build, how much land you need, and which market to target. Without a clear purpose, you will keep changing direction, and that confusion costs money. After defining your purpose, the next requirement is suitable land. Goats do not need very large land like cattle, but they do need enough space to move comfortably. Overcrowding stresses goats and increases disease spread. Choose land that is well drained. Avoid swampy or flood prone areas. Waterlogged soil creates health problems, especially foot rot and parasites. Slightly elevated land is always better. Also consider access to roads. If your farm is too far from main roads, transporting feed and animals becomes expensive. Now let us talk about housing in detail. Housing is not about beauty, it is about function. A goat house must protect animals from rain, strong winds, and excessive heat. It must allow proper ventilation. Fresh air reduces respiratory diseases. The floor should remain dry at all times. Some farmers prefer raised wooden slatted floors. Others use concrete floors with proper drainage. Whichever method you choose, remember this: moisture is your enemy. Wet housing leads to disease and poor growth. The roof should not leak. The walls should block heavy wind but still allow air circulation. Space allowance is important. Each goat should have enough room to lie down and move without stepping on others. Inside the housing, consider separate sections. You need an area for pregnant does, another for kids, and possibly a section for the buck. Bucks can sometimes be aggressive or disturb does. Separating them helps manage breeding properly. Kid pens must be safe and warm because young goats are more sensitive to cold and disease. Fencing is another basic but critical requirement. Goats are natural climbers and jumpers. Weak fencing is like an open invitation for escape. Strong wire mesh or chain link fencing works well. Wooden posts must be firm. Good fencing not only prevents escape but also protects goats from dogs and thieves. Think of fencing as insurance for your investment. Once the physical structure is ready, the next big step is choosing the right breed. Breed selection should match your goal and environment. For meat production, the Boer goat is famous for fast growth and muscular body structure. For dairy production, the Saanen goat is known for high milk yield, while the Toggenburg goat performs well in many dairy systems. However, always consider your climate. In very hot or humid regions, local breeds or crossbreeds often survive better. A goat that survives and reproduces consistently is more profitable than one with high potential but poor adaptability. When buying goats, inspect them carefully. Look at body condition. Healthy goats have bright eyes, smooth hair coats, and active behavior. Avoid goats with runny noses, persistent coughing, diarrhea, or limping. Ask about vaccination history. If possible, buy from reputable breeders. Feeding management is where many farmers either succeed greatly or struggle badly. Goats are browsers. They enjoy shrubs, leaves, and different plants. Good nutrition directly affects growth rate, fertility, and milk production. If you have grazing land, manage it properly. Do not overgraze. Rotational grazing allows pasture to recover and reduces parasite load. If you rely on cut and carry feeding, plant high quality fodder like Napier grass, desmodium, and other legumes. Legumes are important because they provide protein. Dry season planning is critical. Many farmers enjoy good pasture during rainy seasons but forget to prepare for drought. When dry season comes, goats lose weight quickly if feed is not available. Store hay, prepare silage if possible. Even simple sun-dried grass stored under cover can make a big difference. Water must always be available. Clean water improves feed digestion and milk yield. Dirty water spreads disease. Place water containers where goats can access them easily but cannot contaminate them with droppings. Mineral supplementation should never be ignored. Mineral blocks or salt licks provide essential nutrients like calcium and phosphorus. These nutrients support strong bones, healthy pregnancies, and good milk production. Small investments in minerals prevent bigger losses later. Health management requires discipline. Establish a vaccination schedule according to your local veterinary advice. Deworm goats regularly because internal parasites reduce growth and productivity. Observe goats daily. Early signs of sickness include loss of appetite, isolation from the group, dull eyes, or unusual behavior. Early treatment saves lives. Biosecurity measures protect your herd from outside diseases. Limit visitors. Provide foot baths at the entrance if possible. Quarantine new goats for at least 2 weeks. During quarantine, observe them for signs of illness before mixing them with your herd. This simple practice prevents major outbreaks. Waste management can turn a challenge into an opportunity. Goat manure is rich in nutrients. Collect it regularly and compost it. You can use it on crop fields or sell it to vegetable farmers. Integrating goat farming with crop farming improves overall farm productivity. Breeding management determines how fast your herd grows. Avoid inbreeding by introducing unrelated bucks. Inbreeding reduces vigor and leads to weak offspring. Monitor heat signs indoors and plan mating carefully. Controlled breeding allows you to plan kidding seasons when feed is abundant. Keep records of mating dates so you can predict kidding time. Record keeping deserves more attention than many farmers give it. Write down expenses, sales, breeding dates, vaccination schedules, and growth rates. Records show you the truth about your business. They help you identify your best performing goats and remove poor performers. Labor and daily management are ongoing responsibilities. Even a small herd requires attention every day: feeding, cleaning, checking health, repairing fences. These tasks cannot be ignored. If you are not available full time, ensure you have reliable help. Security must remain strong. Goats are easy to steal. Install good locks. Strengthen fencing. If your area has theft issues, consider additional measures like lighting or night guards. Financial planning is the backbone of your project. Calculate startup costs carefully. Include housing, goats, feed, veterinary care, equipment, and emergency funds. Do not spend all your capital on animals alone. Always keep reserve money for unexpected challenges. Market research ensures that your effort translates into income. Identify buyers before production peaks. Understand market demand. Some seasons have higher goat meat demand, especially during festivals or holidays. Timing your sales strategically increases profit. Legal compliance protects your business long term. Check local livestock regulations. Register your farm if required. Follow animal health guidelines. Operating legally builds trust with buyers. Continuous learning keeps you competitive. Farming methods improve. New feeding techniques and disease control strategies emerge. Visit other farms. Share experiences. Stay open to improvement. Finally, patience and commitment tie everything together. Goat farming rewards those who stay consistent. There will be challenges: disease outbreaks, feed shortages, market fluctuations. But when your foundation is strong and your planning is thorough, you overcome challenges more easily. Goat farming is not just about keeping animals, it is about building a system that includes planning, structure, feeding, healthcare, breeding, marketing, and financial discipline. When each part works together, your farm becomes sustainable. If you start small and manage well, goats multiply quickly. Within a few years, your herd can double or triple. Income becomes more stable. Opportunities expand. You may diversify into milk processing, manure sales, or breeding stock supply. In the end, success in goat farming is not magic. It is preparation plus consistency. When you respect the basic requirements: clear goals, proper land, strong housing, good breeds, quality feeding, reliable health care, disciplined breeding, strong records, secure systems, proper marketing, and patient commitment, you build a foundation that supports growth for many years. And that is how a simple idea of starting with a few goats turns into a serious, profitable, and sustainable goat farming enterprise. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more related videos, and make sure to watch the next video on your screen for more tips about goat farming.